Hello everyone. One of the 5 suspects accused of killing Senzo Meyiwa, Muzi Sibiya, has been found guilty of possession of drugs and illegal ammunition. Sibiya appeared at the Tembisa Magistrates Court on Tuesday. The drug charge dates back to 2019 when he was found in possession of 10 sachets of drugs in Muzi section of Tembisa. He was arrested again on May 30th, 2020 when police found live ammunition placed in a plastic bag in his shack in Tembisa. At the time, he told police that the gun was with his friend at Muzi hostel. Police went with him to the hostel to look for the gun but didn't find it. An officer testified in the High Court that after an unsuccessful search for the gun, she took an opportunity to question Sibiya about his involvement in the Meyiwa murder. Sergeant Mogola said when he responded to the question, "I could say that he was making admissions. I reminded him of his constitutional rights, and he went further to tell me." In court, Sibiya denied voluntarily confessing to Meyiwa's murder and said he was tortured severely and was coerced to sign the confession statement. The High Court is currently in a trial within a trial to determine whether the confessions made by Sibiya and Bongani Ntanzi were made under duress or willingly. Sibiya is already serving 12 years in prison for attempted murder and was sentenced 4 days before he stood trial for the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. According to the National Prosecuting Authority, in 2015, Sibiya tried to murder Ntombenhle Ndaba in a hail of bullets after his new cell phone went missing at Basutwini Hostel in Vosloorus. He allegedly shot Ndaba 25 times, and one of the bullets hit her in the chest and narrowly missed her heart. He paid her family 5,000 rands in compensation. He also shot Mfanelo Mbata, who also survived again. After Mbata was shot, Sibiya's family compensated his family with 5,000 rands. The NPA added that he also allegedly shot his girlfriend in December 2014 after she threatened to blow the whistle on him for his alleged involvement in the murder of Meyiwa after he confided in her. The case is still pending. He will be sentenced on January 18, 2024 for the drug and ammunition charges. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.